After comp, reach to clump. It's better to go into the viewport and see her lines to better see the clump effect. If you go to the clump, if you drag and drop on the scene, it clump everything to the average, to the line, to the center, to average of them. Okay, the line is better. Keep length, it keeps length of the hair, or if untick that, it stretch them if you want, but keep length is better. Or you can click and drag it. Okay, for better clumping, you have to select tip or guide, some guide. For example, you want to clump there, clump, click and drag. Then select another part or clump them. You can define clump with this curve. You can see? Interesting. You can clump your hair with this. You can select and delete the points. Nice. Or clump everything again. Or load any preset. You can go to the brush and select these parts. And again, clump them. You can click and drag to clump. And then you can rotate it. You can see you can rotate the hair with the degree that you specify here. Just release your mouse and you can rotate. You can control this rotation by this curve. Nice. This is on root and this is on tip. You can control the rotation. Because of the real-time updates, you can clump it again or not if you want. Or turn off the rotation. Because of this curve, the rotation will be maintained. Rotate. And something like this. Nice. This is clump. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.